friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Christine of Side Street Market, and today we have a little bit different type of haul. I have mystery boxes. So in some recent live sales, one from Erin at the Collection Vintage, I had purchased a mystery box, and then one from Heather of Plus One Thrifting, I purchased a mystery box, and I was waiting for both of them to get here. I'm pretty sure this one I purchased from Erin may have been from December, so I'm trying to catch up. But I figured it'd be fun with both of them together to go ahead and open them with you. All I've done so far was just cut the boxes open, so, you know, in case there was any sort of emergency with the cutting, me sharp objects, it wouldn't happen on camera. So this is the box from Erin, and I'm going to link both of their YouTube channels and information below for you. We have Bubbles. We always love Bubbles. Aw, this is cute. And here is her card, the Collection Vintage. And she does have an Etsy, the collectionvintage.etsy.com, and that is Erin. So Erin, thank you so much. I'm excited for this. And it looks like we have 1, 2, that's cute. It's like a little felted kitty cat. Aw, and look at the little sticker girl. I love her. She's cute for Valentine's Day. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 fun pieces in here. So I'm excited to open these and see what we got from Erin. This is going to be good. I've not done mystery boxes like this before. Pardon me. I had like a piece of fuzz. It was tickling my eye. There we go. I feel like I'm very bright. It's a very dreary day and the lights are just kind of... Anyways, so first we got this cute little like felted kitty cat, which I love because I have my kitty cats. So he is cute. I'm going to put him up on my shelf so the cats don't get him. And I do have my trusty scissors, so we'll dive into the first one. And you may see this jump the video as I am cutting through the items so that it's not super long. I may just show you this is the first item, and then magic will be when it is opened. Because it looks like Erin wrapped this very well, which I am thankful for because Erin is shipping from Canada and I am in Florida, so it had a bit of a way to go. Okay, so we've got her almost unwrapped. Oh, this is cute. It's a little Occupy Japan lady with a basket. I like her. That's sweet. Aww. She'd be fun with like a little itty bitty piece of succulent in her. Very cute. And now I don't remember what I paid for the mystery boxes, but I'm just excited to have some mystery boxes. And I think I see a piece of Pyrex. Let me open that one. Right, guys? Or a little bit of Fire King. That is like amazing to get in a mystery box. Okay, so we've gotten to the bottom layer. Oh, that is so cute. So this is an Anchor Hawking Fire King oven proof. That is sweet. Like that would be really cute as part of like a vignette with the browns and the blues in fall. That is cute. Thank you, Erin. I like that a lot. I don't have any of this for myself. So that's cool. Very cool. And then this looks like a cute little bud vase. You guys see that? Don't mind my messy refrigerator. It's just I figured for opening these type of boxes, it'd be easier if I stood, and my kitchen counter is a little taller for me. Because I have a little bit of vertical challenge going on. Okay, we are down to the base, and oh, that's pretty. Just a nice little like milk glass style, right? I don't think that says... That looks like it might have had a little emblem on the bottom. This might be like a little Avon, but that's a cute little white pedestal. Like picture like a little single pink bud or something in that. That's cute. I like that. What a fun mystery box. Then now I see some blue. I'm excited because I love blue. And I love boho. So let's dig into this one. All right, guys, so we have some beautiful blue plates here. California Rustic, they're called. I think those are gorgeous. I really like those. I like the blues and the brown and the white theme in here. This is really cute. California rustic. I like that. These are my colors and they go with my kitchen. So that's perfect. I'm loving this box so far. This is really great. So this is our last item and it looks like some sort of a smiling figurine. Now I do love home pieces. I don't know if this is a home piece. And I had thought about opening these live with you guys, but I know sometimes it takes a while to get through the bubble wrap. So I thought it'd be easier if I could just kind of, you know, cut and paste that for you. That, oh, it's a bank. Now y'all know I have a vintage bank section on my Etsy shop. So, aww, that is cute. Check him out. He doesn't have a stopper, but I have replacement stoppers. So that is cute. Look at the eyes. So that was a great mystery box. Erin, if you're watching this, thank you so much. You did really great picking out the pieces. I love the plates and the Fire King and the white and the Occupy Japan and the cute little bank. So thank you so much. That was a great mystery box. I would definitely buy a mystery box from her again. And Erin does live sales. I believe it's every other Monday at 1 Eastern on YouTube. So next we have the box from Heather of +1, I think it's +1 Thrifting. And we have a lot of paper shredding. So I'm going to have to be careful with the cats. And she has like a cute little printed card in here. And then just a little note card. So I'm going to carefully try to do this without getting the shredded paper all over the counter. So let's see. Let's dig. Let's dig. And so she said that these boxes in her live sale were vintage and that they were, you know, it was priced so that if you're a reseller like me, we could resell the items possibly. And it's always good during this time to find other ways of sourcing. So that's kind of why I like the mystery boxes too, because if it doesn't 100% fit your personality, I don't think any of us would have an issue with the items being resold. I'm just digging out the treasures, digging out the treasures. Wow, there's quite a bit in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 items I've dug out so far. And I don't know if there's, oh wow, there's another one on the bottom. There's a big guy on the bottom here. I'm just going to make sure, and we'll be careful with that because the cats will have a field day with shredded paper. So that was cute. That's a good idea. Look at that. All right. So let's see what we got from Heather at +1 Thrifting. So first off, it looks like these may be some trays. Or a tray. Oh, it looks like it's a tray with a glass insert. So this is a cute little, oops, the glass is falling out. I'm gonna have to glue that back in. But this is a cute little mirror tray that says pray on it with floral. And it's got the ornate gold. So that's a great little trinket dish for a desk. That's cute for a little vanity display or the floral in the fall. I like that. And then, ooh, I'm getting stuff all over the place. I'm just going to transfer the bubble wrap over there. I'm just going to open these over the box so that if there's any paper. Oh, that's cute. So this is a little Japan cherry pattern coffee cup with a butterfly. That is adorable. And it does say Japan on the bottom. Very cute. I like that. That's a great one. Just shaking off the bubble wrap because you know we'll use the bubble wrap. And then, let's see, this looks like a little figurine. Uh-oh. Looky, looky, guys. Who found the blue bow duck? That's cute. That's funny. Little blue bow duck. And then it looks like I have a lid for something here. Let's see what this is. Oh, this may be a salt shaker. No. Oh. J.J. Madison 1978 Co. Inc. That's cute. Check out that dog, guys. You know, I think I've seen Jocelyn. I need to look this up because I think I've seen Jocelyn from the Crazy Lamp Lady pick something like this up in the store, but I think the one she said came from like South America or something. This is in 1978 and it is signed on the bottom, but I can't quite make out what the signature is. But that's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to look that guy up. He's fun. He's like a carved, it feels like a rough clay with a glazing. Look at the face. Very cute. And so here I have a little bit of a purple matte lid. So that must go to something in here. Just trying to keep the paper off the floor. Oh, okay, it's a cute little, you know what? I actually think, oh, False Craft, Copyright USA. I actually think I have a set of purple False Craft salt and pepper shakers that would go with this that I could resell as a set. So that's cute, and I like the matte purple, or I might put this in a live sale, this box, because someone might like the purple for their decor, because I know people are always looking for purple. And the last item looks to be a napkin holder. That's cute. So it's this little country floral napkin holder. So that was a great box. And I think that was an offer up, so I think I remember for this box, I might have paid $10. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. That's like $2 an item. So that's great. Well, I hope you guys liked this little mystery box unboxing. If I happen to do more of them, I will be sure to share it. If you liked the video, remember to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to check out my description section because I'm going to link Erin and Heather's information below so you guys can check out their channel. And I will be back to hang out with you guys very, very soon.